How to create more interesting Voronoi effects in Affinity Photo. My apologies straight away for saying it probably wrong. First thing to do is create 3 layers. You could of course create more than 3 layers. Just go here to the layers panel, add pixel layer, and add pixel layer. Then fill them. I'm just going to fill them with white. So edit and then fill and just fill it with white. Click apply. Then select the individual layers and then go to filters and then down here to colors and Voronoi. In Voronoi, you can change the cell size as well as the line width. I'm going to make it slightly bigger so you can see it, but you can vary it, of course, make it lots thinner and click apply. Now, if I create a Voronoi effect for this one, you won't be able to see it. So what you need to do is select all 3 layers, go here, blend modes, and I'm going to go with multiply. So now go to the pixel, the next one. That's still blank. So filters, and then go down here to colors and Voronoi again. And this time, I want you to change the size. So cell size, a little bit like that, and then maybe a line width. You can vary it, of course, in 2 different ways. And click apply. And do the same, filters, colors, and Voronoi. And then just change that and maybe go like this. Unfortunately, you can't drag or reposition. It would be a nice feature if you could. And click apply. Once you're happy with that, you can then select all those layers. Don't know why that always pops up, very odd. Select all those layers and then go to layer and down to merge selected. All merged into a single layer. Now you can apply additional effects, maybe use layer effects, but also deform, mirror, etc. can be applied. Hope you found this of interest. Bye.